Are you frustrated with inaccurate diagnostics and prolonged repair times? Traditional methods can be invasive, costly, and often miss the mark. It's time to explore a more efficient way to diagnose vehicle issues. PicoScope can alleviate your frustration.
Invasive testing can damage systems and lead to inaccurate results. It extends repair time and risks creating additional issues. Discover how non-invasive methods can revolutionize your diagnostic process. PicoScope offers non-invasive, real-time diagnostics, setting the industry standard for over 30 major manufacturers. Learn why professionals prefer PicoScope for its accuracy and efficiency. With PicoScope, you gain insights into vehicle systems without disruption. It's the preferred choice for technicians seeking reliable and precise diagnostics. Experience waveform comparison and detailed signal analysis with PicoScope. Its user-friendly interface is optimized for touchscreens, ensuring seamless operation across devices. Enjoy free software updates with no hidden costs. PicoScope continues to evolve, providing you with the latest features and improvements. Diagnose complex issues like voltage drops and signal interference effortlessly. PicoScope acts like an X-ray for your vehicle, revealing hidden problems. Use PicoScope for electrical, fuel, and communication systems. Its versatility makes it an indispensable tool in any technician's arsenal. Access over 11,000 reference waveforms to compare your captures with known good vehicles. Benefit from a community of experienced technicians sharing their insights. Traditional tools like multimeters and scan tools fall short in capturing real-time changes. PicoScope excels in diagnosing complex automotive problems. New to oscilloscopes? We've got you covered with comprehensive guides and tutorials. Join the ranks of technicians mastering diagnostics with PicoScope Automotive test equipment. Explore our resources to enhance your skills and confidence in using PicoScope. It's time to elevate your diagnostic capabilities by contacting Salig Company Incorporated, Pico Technology's authorized US distributor at www.salig.com or by phone at 585 385 1750.